We talk about the role of accounting. In this, we talk about purpose of accounting information, recording transaction, external reports, use of financial statement, professional accountancy bodies, financial accounting was management accounting, external auditors, internal department, regulatory system, effect of systems and procedure, integrated accounting software, database and spreadsheets. Syllabus area, the purpose of accounting information, nature, principles and scope of accounting, the regulatory system, internal and external financial information, control over business transactions, the main business financial systems, manual and computer accounting system, database and spreadsheet. Now, these all in our early days in accounting we discussed. Accounting is a way of recording, analyzing and summarizing transactions of a business, obviously. It is used outside the finance function by other department to make decisions. We prepare, finance department prepare this, but used by non-finance department. That's what they are saying. Accounting system must be adapted to fulfill this function. Recording transactions. Transactions recorded in books of prime entry, transactions are analyzed and posted to ledgers, transactions are summarized in, we discussed all this. They will depend on size of the organization, type of organization, structure of organization, legal jurisdiction of the organization. History, Luca President.
Newton brother.
Yeah, the Newton's brother, yes. The first explanation of double entry bookkeeping in 1494. His description of the method was widely influential. Debit and credit. The information provided by accounting system will be used internally and externally. Companies will want to avoid sharing too much information externally but must produce P&L, balance sheet and cash flows. Users of financial statements, managers, shareholders, trade. Now we talk about requirements to prepare accounts. Law, tax authority, banks need, employee need, professional accounting, produce accounting standard which will published accounts are expected IASB, International Accounting Standard Board, or IFAC, International Federation of Accountants.
What is that?
IFAC, International Federation of Accountants, who are the mother body for all professional accountants bodies. And under that only IASB there. Now, ACCA, CIMA, CA, everybody should be a member to IFAC. Non-commercial undertaking. It is that professional accountancy body is a non-commercial undertaking. It is not only companies that need to prepare accounts. Even charitable organizations also need to prepare accounts. Donors may wish to scrutinize charity accounts. Now we keep on give donation, and if that people keep on eating, then unfair. Qualities of good information. If you read the first letters in this, you will read it accurate. That in management accounting also it comes. Free from error, complete, comparable, unbiased, relevant, appropriately detailed, timely, easy to use. So we call it acronym. Accurate. Design of accounting function. You will have a finance director, then treasurer, finance controller, and management accountant. This is a chart. Financial accounting was a management. Financial accounting, external, historical, and report that was happened. That has happened. Management account, forward-looking, used to make decisions internally, change plans by looking forward. Who is external auditor? The statutory, the financial statement the company prepares, we call it statutory financial statement. This financial statement should be prepared by internal people. But this should be verified by an outside auditor. That outside auditor's name is external auditor. So statutory annual accounts of a company subject to a minimum size requirement need to be audited by an independent qualified person. He should be independent, he should be qualified.
External auditor.
Yeah, auditors prepare an audit report. There are different types of audit: unqualified, all fine, qualified issues in accounts. When you see or when you hear someone saying an audit report is unqualified, that means that audit report is perfectly good, no problem in that. But if you hear someone saying this audit report is qualified audit report, means there are issues in the financial statement. You understand me or not?
Qualified means there is issue.
That's a terminology we use in audit.
Oh.
We call it qualifications. Like for example, the depreciation calculation done by the management is not correct. An auditor went and he finds some problem. He came to the management saying that, brother, the way you calculated is wrong. The management says, no, we don't worry. We still want to keep it. Then we are not happy. As auditors, we are not happy. Then what we do is, in our audit opinion, we say that the calculation of depreciation is not as what we expect. So there is an issue. If you write like this, that is called qualification.
So it is qualified to issues.
Yes.
Other way.
There are three different types of audit reports. One is unqualified. Other one is qualified. Third one is adverse. Set the poach. That company account financial statement is totally useless. Then you see, if you in a company, if you have one or two issues, you issue qualified audit opinion. Everything is issue. Then you cannot give a good opinion. No? Then that opinion we call it adverse opinion. There is a fourth one, disclaimer. What do you mean by disclaimer? Now, can you see anything outside this door? How can you see on the other side of the door? What? If no one allows you to give a permission to open the door, what can you do? And if someone asking opinion about the other side, can you say good man there or bad man there? Because we don't know. So, audit opinion are four types: unqualified, qualified, adverse, disclaimer. Disclaimer means we cannot issue an opinion. We don't know the company's situation, especially because of scope limitation. Now you want to count cash, you go to the cashier. Cashier says, no, I will not give the cash. So can you confirm cash is accurate? Can you confirm cash is inaccurate? No. So you say that, you disclaim it. We are unable to express an opinion about the accuracy of the cash because the cashier has not allowed us to perform the cash count. Understand? So there are four types of opinion.
So in general, the normal audit report is called as a
External, no, you can't say that, no. Any audit report is external audit report based on the company situation, but majority of the audit report it will be unqualified only. We call it clean report.
Clean.
And we issue opinion called true and fair view. Internal audit department. Many organizations also have an internal audit department designed to alleviate the risk of error and fraud.
Alleviate.
Yes, to push up. And the Elivala, the Veliavara,
Boom.
yes.
Escalate.
Escalate. Alleviate, escalate, almost same meaning. Google get, yeah. Google Hajari can get him. Google. That Google, you heard that story? He couldn't prevent her pain, only alleviate it. அதாவது இந்த பிரச்சனையை குறைக்கிறது. அப்போ என்னென்னா இப்போ அவனுக்கு அவளோட வைஃபை ஆகிக்கும் பேனை பொறுத்து நிற்கிறதாம். அப்போ அதுக்கு அவன் என்ன செஞ்சானா மெந்த கொடுத்து இருந்து சமாளித்து பேனை குறைச்சி காம்டான். அப்போ ரிஸ்க்கும் ப்ராப்ளமும் வர டைமுக்கு இன்டர்னல் ஆடிட் என்ன செய்யும்னா அதெல்லாம் செக் பண்ணி அதில் இந்த இஷ்யூஸை குறைச்சி ஒரு நார்மல் சிச்சுவேஷனுக்கு கொண்டு சேர்க்கும்.
Escalating opposite.
Elevate is something. Let me wait. Define. Example would be anything
That is okay. That
make
to
something
easier
less
to,
painful, severe or serious.
no, the other one that to make easier to endure.
Endure to
That
make
is okay. That is
yes. Designed to alleviate the risk of error and fraud. Checks internal control system operate effectively. Reports to audit committee, employees of the company. Meaning, who is doing the audit? Employees of the company. External audit, who is doing the audit? Outside people.
Independent.
Other departments and sections, purchase department, HR department, sales department, operations of inventory controls, senior management. And account section, payables and ledger, cashier, payroll, receivable ledger, cost accounting, staff, financial accounting and cost accounting. And what are the relationships? Purchase department advises purchase ledger orders. Purchase indicates valid invoices. Cashier informs purchase department and purchase ledger people. Like that, Regulatory system. Factors affecting a regulatory system, company law. Accounting concepts and individual judgment. Anyone wants AC, let me know. Accounting standards, European Union, other international influences, and finally GAAP. GAAP is actually accounting standard in US. These are called flow chart for different functions of the business. See, this is the sales function, this is a purchasing function, and that is connected to general ledger, and finally goes to information. Effective systems and procedure are essential to ensure that relationship with customers are effectively managed, relationship with suppliers are effectively managed, office functions interrelate properly and are not duplicated. Why?
5%. Okay. Can go ahead. 5%.
Only 5%? Okay. Policies and procedures may be grouped together. Stop the video.